Yo, what is going on? It's your man, Mr. HD323, bringing you guys another video. That's right, another video. What? Another video, man. Let's get straight into it, man. I got this dope unboxing from ThreadBeast, and it's funny that I said dope and I ain't even opened the damn box yet, but I figure it's dope because you know it's ThreadBeast, and that last unboxing I did was dope. So I'm very excited to see what's in this next package that I acquired. So they send you again, you subscribe for either $48, $85, or like $129 monthly. And when you pay monthly, they send you like double the amount of what you pay worth of clothes. So you can also do your style, tell them what you do like and what you don't like and things like that. And they it's basically a personal stylist online, which is very dope in my opinion. I never needed a stylist, but I just think this is something dope. So I said, man, let me go on and try this and see what it's like. And so far, man, I'm digging it, man. So let's just get into this quick unboxing. And again, I bought the $85 per month, and we're gonna see what's in this box. Dope packaging, give you a couple of stickers, little black tissue paper, a little sticker to say ThreadBeast. Okay, I don't like this pattern already. So this time I emailed them and told them what I don't like and what type of style I do like. Now let's see if they got it right this time. But I see a print on this shirt that I'm not feeling, but I'm not gonna, count it out already. So, oh hell no, I don't even wear button downs. Hell no. They sent me a motherfucking old man button down church shirt. Hell to the no, bro. I cannot do this. Now, what's crazy is I'm gonna stick with them, and this time, as they go, the things that I don't like, that next month's package, I'm gonna say don't. Now I'm gonna tell them, do not put no damn button downs in my damn package, man. What the hell I look like? Y'all wildin', bro. It's another one. Ah, they bullshitting, man. Why they do me like this? I'm low-key disappointed. Cause I like this shirt. Now I'm gonna sound like a hype beast on this one. I like the shirt. Why they send me a DC shirt, man? When the last time you seen a motherfucker wear some DC? I ain't tripping though, man. I'll wear it. It's DC. Let's try it. It's just a t-shirt. Then I see another Hurley. I think I got a Hurley in the first package. A Hurley t-shirt. I don't know what I can wear that with. That's pretty cool. Now, that's 3 items already. Then they sent me these dope Richer Poorer socks. These fire right here. Nice and thick. Richer Poorer sock. Richer Poorer quality cotton. These cool. And that's 4 items. So did they send me 5 or 6? Oh hell no, I need this whole box sent back. No, I can do this right here. This hard. This hard. Got the little Camo upper, then the color blocking, little beige and white. This is dope, made by Asphalt, but I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna post this video, and every video is not gonna be ThreadBeast is dope. Y'all took a L on this one, and I need this sweater, but the rest I'm gonna email you guys, and I need to send this back. I'm not wearing any of this because this is trash. And hit that like and subscribe. Follow me on all social media. Links will be in the description.